Hey guys, wanna delete all emails from one sender on your Gmail on your mobile device? Here's an easy way on how to do it. So firstly, open the Gmail app and afterwards go to the search. And for the tutorial, I'ma just delete just unnecessary emails, so I'ma just search for Snapchat. Hit search and afterwards click and hold onto the email and afterwards you will see these options. Now hit the select all option and click on the delete trash icon. Well, as you can see, all of the emails from Snapchat were successfully deleted. So let me show you how to delete the emails from the desktop version of the Gmail. And now let's go to any browser like Chrome or Safari. I'm gonna use Chrome actually. And let's search for the Gmail. I'm gonna just create a new tab, use the search tab and enter Gmail. Hit go at the bottom. And now enter the first link. Now log in if you need. And here you can actually also search for the specific sender. So let me search for Instagram. Now search for Instagram or any sender. Click return and select the emails you want to be deleted. Now, when selected, hit that trash icon at the bottom. And unfortunately, there is no button so-called like select all, so you will have to select all of the emails manually and click on delete trash icon. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.